everyone, I'm Kelly D.
Today is all about fruits. I have my youngest subscriber back in the kitchen with me and we're gonna have lots of fun.
Hi Josiah.
Hi.
I hope you are having a wonderful time for vacation this year.
I am.
Tell us some of the things that you've been doing this year.
I've recently finished programming classes.
Programming classes.
Yes, and I've actually finished cooking classes too.
Imagine that. The last time Josiah was here, he was doing art classes for summer.
Yeah.
And we finally converted him to doing cooking classes. So today, Josiah and I will be making
Fruit kebabs.
fruit kebabs, a favorite with all children. So let's go over the ingredients. Now there are so many fruits that you can choose when you're making fruit kebabs. You're going to choose the fruits based on their color, based on the texture. They must be bright and pretty so it's fun and children love eating it. So the fruits that we're going to be using today are grapes,
Cantaloupe.
apples,
Oranges.
and strawberries. And you must have your kebab sticks. So we're going to get started. Now I'm going to make my kebabs and Josiah will make his kebabs and we'll see which ones look the best. So Josiah, tell us exactly how to make these exciting and colorful fruit kebabs.
So, to make the fruit kebabs, we have to take each fruit individually and put them on the stick.
Let's see how you do it. Now he's putting his grape on first, and grape is red, and we're going to use a different color. What are you going to choose next, Josiah?
I'm gonna choose an apple.
Okay, let's go. Now while he does that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come up with something colorful and bright, and we'll see how it's going to look at the end. Our fruit kebabs are done. Just look at it. Here you go. Bright, colorful, playful. Children absolutely love them. And once they eat these, they're also getting the nutrition because you get nutrition from strawberries, from grapes, from apples. It's a nutritious, fun activity for your kids. Now, my best part, time to taste. But before we taste, can you tell us which one looks the best? You can comment in the comment section below and let me know, do you prefer my kebabs or do you prefer Josiah's kebabs? Now it's time to taste. I think I'll taste this time.
Yeah.
Strawberry, cantaloupe, and apple. I absolutely love fresh fruit. The perfect bite and they smell great. Fruit kebabs, now you need to try it. Now if you enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe and press the notification bell, and remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.